We spoke about some of the more basic sections that you can add in the page builder, such as columns and images. Some of our clients will also see some more advanced components like calls to actions, info sections, buttons, etc. When in the page builder, if you open one of these sections, you'll see some blocks that can be dragged and dropped into the page builder. When hovering over these blocks, you're also going to see an eye icon and a pencil icon. If we click on the eye icon, you're going to see a preview of what that section looks like. So here you can see 3 across, 2 rows, tile section with images. When we drag and drop this, we can then edit those images and text and links. If you do not have this option in your page builder, you can reach out to your digital specialist and they can discuss options to add more advanced content blocks and components to your page builder on your website so you can create some of these more complex layouts.